Good.
You're eating my brain. You're eating my brain. I'll eat ice cream. You're eating my testicles. Spiderweb. Spider me. Let me.
Thank you. Very good.
Get out here. Where did the skeleton go? Look. No, look. No, I need to find where the skeletons are. Where are the skeletons?
Is that it?
That's what Mom and Dad left. So our Mom and Dad is killing them. And look, the door is shutting because look, the skeletons have gotten electricity. Oh no, they made electricity. And that door is a slide open.
Is that it?
Door.
All done? Oh, there's one piece left you can't reach. Here, let me help you.
Skeletons!
Okay.
And we can't open the door. I do know a secret password. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bandito.
All right, thank you.
1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All done? Thank you.
1, 2, 7, 8, 9.
Thank you.